Hi there, my name is Liall Smith from Allsopp Allsopp Real Estate. Today I will be showing you this one bedroom apartment here in the Lofts. The apartment comes fully furnished and stands at 692 square foot. So as we can see here, we've sort of got an open plan kitchen and living room. So the apartment comes fully equipped, beautifully furnished, and we get a lot of light in from the living and dining area here. So here is the bedroom. The bedroom has sliding doors as shown, and storage there on the back wall. So for any further inquiries on this property, please get in contact with me on the details provided below. Thank you.